Introducing the Sanford electric kettle, SF1869EK. With a 1.7-liter capacity and 1800 watts of power, it boils water in minutes. Built with food-grade SUS number 304 stainless steel and a durable double-layer structure, it keeps the heat in while staying cool to the touch. Enjoy 360 degrees rotation with cord storage, anti-scald design, and overheat protection for safe, worry-free use. From your morning tea to quick meals, it's easy to use, easy to clean. Sanford, making every boil faster, safer, and smarter.